In this video, we're going to cover polynomial vocabulary. There are a lot of different parts to a polynomial, so let's get started. Terms are found between plus and minus signs. Where the sign for each term is always before the leading coefficient. And the leading coefficient is the number in front of the letters. Like terms have the same letters and exponents. Combine these when possible. Coefficients are the numbers after the sign. The degree of a polynomial is the highest sum of exponents in any one of the terms. For example 1, we're asked to combine like terms where possible. Next, determine how many terms, the degree, and the coefficients for the following polynomial. We have 3x squared plus 5xy cubed z minus 2xy plus 4xz plus 10x squared z. If we look at the terms, without combining any, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. There are 5 terms because they're broken up by plus or minus signs. The degree of the polynomial is the term with the highest number of exponents summed together. So if I look at these different terms, the exponent on here is just 2. So this is degree 2. If I look at 5xy cubed z, that has an x with an exponent of 1 and a z with an exponent of 1 because we don't write 1 exponents. So this is going to be degree 5. Negative 2xy is degree 2. 4xz is degree 2. And 10x squared z is degree 3. So the highest degree term is this one here, 5xy cubed z. The coefficients for the following polynomial are 3, and that's a positive 3 because there's no negative in front, positive 5, negative 2, positive 4, and positive 10. So we were asked to determine how many terms. There are 5. The degree 5 because the polynomial's highest degree term is 5, and the coefficients. So we highlighted those. In example 2, we're asked to combine like terms where possible. Next, determine how many terms there are, the highest degree term, and the coefficients for the following polynomial. I'm going to look at my 8wx squared, and I want to find any terms that are like terms. So the number or the coefficient can be a different number, but the letters and the exponents have to match. So if I look through here, I don't see any other wx squareds. So this is the only term like that. Now let's move on to 4wy squared. 4wy squared should maybe have another term. We have a 5wy squared, and so those two are like terms. We also have a negative 3w and a positive 7w. Lastly, we have this 11w squared x squared, which also doesn't match anything else. So if I combine like terms, we still have the 8wx squared. If we add 4 and 5wy squared, we get 9wy squared. If we combine the negative 3w and the positive 7w, that gives us positive 4w. And then lastly, that plus 11w squared x squared. So now that we've combined like terms, we can determine how many terms there are. There are 4 terms here. 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. The highest degree term is found by adding up the exponents. This first one is degree 3. The second one is degree 3. Third one is degree 1. And the fourth one is degree 4. So we can say that it's the highest degree term. And the coefficients for the following polynomial are positive 8, positive 9, positive 4, and positive 11.